Here, along the turquoise waters of the Riviera Maya, lies the Barceló Maya Resort, a stretch of paradise where the Caribbean seems endless, and the rhythm of the waves sets the pace of the day. Hi, my name is Vista, and welcome to my tour video. From above, the view tells its own story. Palm trees sway like slow dancers, pools sparkle in the sunlight, and the white sand beaches trace the edge of the coast like a ribbon. Guests wander between gardens and ocean, while the sea quietly embraces the shore, as it has for centuries. But this place is more than luxury and leisure. Long before these resorts, the Maya people called this coastline home. They fished in these waters, charted the stars overhead, and built great cities not far inland. The same sea that welcomes travelers today once carried canoes filled with salt, jade, and stories. So when you look down at the Barceló today, with its piers and boats dotting the coast, you are seeing echoes of an ancient tradition. The sea is both a pathway and a promise. In the last few decades, this coastline has become one of the most visited places in all of Mexico. Travelers come from every corner of the world to see these turquoise waters, to walk the beaches, and to experience a taste of Maya culture. Tourism now shapes daily life here, from the fishermen who welcome visitors with fresh catch, to the families who share their music, food, and traditions. The Riviera Maya has become both a home and a host, offering its beauty to all who arrive. If you liked this short informative video, then please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. We really appreciate it. See you in the next one.